Hello my friends and welcome back. I am coming on to do a layout for the Mercy Tiara Kits design team. And I am using this kit. It is so darn cute. It's called Summer Lovin'. And guys, I have the main kit. I have the pattern paper add-on, embellishment kit, cardstock add-on, as well as the small but mighty kit. So I've got some things going on. What I thought I would do is I'm going to use this piece of basil from the cardstock kit. It's Avalanche for my background. I've been in a white phase, white with pattern paper. So you should just go with whatever you're vibing, right? So I have that easy. Then I thought I would do a little bit of tearing action. Let me show you my photos so we can get a little bit of an idea. This was from 2019. My daughter was working at this very large company locally. And you could bring your spouse, significant other, etc. for the day to like a big amusement park type fair the company would put on for the employees. So that's what it is. She has her like staff shirt on and he is there and the fair is behind them. I thought that was super cute and totally a summer thing. So what I thought I would do, I'm going to have to get this. This is textured cardstock. It's from Simple Stories, and it is in the color Buttercup, which I think is such a cute name. Reminds me of Princess Bride. So I thought we would do a little tearing fun with having the sky be fairly prominent, right? But I want to tear them at the same time so I have kind of like an equal tear, if that makes sense. There we go. Boop. Looks good to me. So we have that. I was going to have just a little bit of the sweet yellow coming down. Cute, right? I have a photo. Then I thought, oh, but wait, wouldn't it be cute if I had just a little bit of a tear on the bottom? And I'm going to use different paper, I think. I can't do the clouds. I can use, of course, the Swiss dot down here. But I want to definitely bring this in. Let's just see how it looks. Let's not worry about convention. Let's just see how it goes, right? So I have that one like that. Should I do it where this one's kind of going like that? Sure. Sure, why not? Oh, wait, we would have to go like this. Does it matter which way these florals are facing? So this, let's go ahead. Let's just see how it looks. We can always trim it if it's not, coming out right. Because who knows if it will. All right, so I've got a wonky tear going. Look at all that white core showing. Ugh, I don't like that. All right, let's clean up my tear just a little bit. Not a big deal. We'll get my trimmer and see if it wants to magically be kind and cut at the same time. And if this is too much, because it seems a little bit too much, then I will go ahead and, so on this one, I thought it might be cute to have this. I just have, I think, a little bit too much. Do I have too much of this pattern? I don't know. Is there too much of a pattern? Kind of. So I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing. So I'm going to get these pieces attached down. Maybe Lovely Day at the Fair. Maybe. I saw this and I saw the words Lovely Day. I'm like, well, that would be cute because I could do Lovely Day at the Fair. I could do Sunshine and I don't know. I'm going to come up with it. But I think Lovely Day at the Fair would be super cute. Okay, guys. So I've got my torn edges. Nothing else is tacked down yet. So the next thing I did, I hit, and these things, Lovely and Day are popped up on dimensional adhesive. I've got to get something to back my photo with. I haven't kind of made that decision yet. We'll get there. I love this little ice cream truck because the deal at this fair is that the employees and their guests, they can ride the rides as much as they want and all foods, drinks, all that stuff is free for the entire day. So people have so much fun. So I went and found all the stickers that I thought totally worked for being at the fair and the kind of day it was. I've got ice creams. I have icy drinks going on. I've got my ice cream truck. I think it's hilarious and perfect. Phew. So next, I've got this bit of orange. I just saw it. I've got this bit of orange that is in this paper. I think that would be great to back the photo in because she is wearing like a turquoise color and it's gonna really pop. So we'll do that. Then I have one subby that absolutely hates when I do this. So, and I actually try not to. It just, sometimes things happen and you just have to be able to go with it. It is what it is my point. So I'm gonna go ahead and back my photo with this really nice gingham shade. Nice bright saturation. I think that will show wonderfully, and I'll pop that up on some foam. Now, I also want to get some of these super bold florals going. So I've got this. I can cut some of them out, but there's also, oh, but wait. Well, do I have any florals here? We do have some florals right here that totally work if I keep going with stickers, right? We have that. But we also have this exquisite sheet that I did want to do a little bit of fussy cutting with. So I think I'll spend a little fussy cutting time getting some of those florals because I want to get some florals tucked around the photo and my title. Okay, y'all, so I went ahead and fussy cut out the flowers. I have these stickers tacked down. I've got my title tacked down, and I'm going to put these flowers right about where they are. I think that looks super cute. We've got a bit of a visual triangle, even though it's, you know, a little wonky. I did pop my other little stickers right here. I thought, oh, I lost a pinwheel. I thought we would see how we can cluster them up as well. Maybe I should get all the flowers down. Gosh, that would be so cute if I tucked that in with the flowers. All right, so the flowers can stick up. We'll have that. Well, I guess we decided what to do with that. I've got a couple of popsicles here, as well as this super cute ice cream, but these popsicles are adorable. Why don't I go ahead and we will have these popsicles. I'm trying to look to see if I can grab a pop dot to stick right here. I'm going to pop these popsicles down and then we will arrange the florals around them. So the idea is, I like the idea of incorporating these cute little like ice creams and treats and whatnot in the gorgeous florals because, you know, if I could, every single layout would have tons and tons of florals and it would be lovely. I'm going to go, do I want it like that or do I want it part of the title? Or do we split the difference and just kind of have it right there? That doesn't help for my whole floral talk though, does it? No, I want it in the flowers. All right, so I'm going to get these pieces stuck down and then guys, we will legit just have, I think like right there, we will just have like the little bits and bobs to pop on to finish this up. I'm thinking, you know, we can get some of these gorgeous bits in. Ooh, the word sun. So we'll pop some of these on some of our confetti pieces. And this will be done. So those pieces are stuck down. I think it's super cute. I think it looks like the fair, but it's summery and happy. So now let's see what we have here. Because I'd love to use some of these pieces. Like, do I want to put them in the pinwheels? You know what? That would be super cute. Let's go ahead and just put them in the center of the pinwheels. Why not? Let's live a little. And then we can put a bluey one. I can pop this up and tuck it under there and we can get some dimension. All right, that is so cute. All right, so we've got that on there. Love that. So move that aside. Now I'm just gonna spend some time getting some of my confetti mix popped in and around, guys. I'll come back and show you my finished layout. And here we go. That is this layout finished. I love, oh, no, it's not. Do you see those three little dots? I still have to put my goodies in there. Each of my clusters have one of these little fruity clay pieces that are just darling. So I will have still shots to follow, guys. I will also, oop, I just saw a strawberry. I will have links down below for you guys to know where to get your hands on these goodies. And I will see everybody ever so soon with another video. I'm just finishing up my little oopsie here. Cannot have my little clusters go without their fruity bits. Okay guys, I will see you soon. Bye for now.